Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you've been looking for a legit way to make money online from anywhere in the world, especially something you can do with just your phone or laptop, then this video is for you. Because today I'm breaking down respondent.io, one of the best platforms where you can get paid just for sharing your opinion. And no, this is not one of those fake survey websites paying you pennies. Not at all. We are talking real companies, real research, and payments that can go from $20 all the way up to $300 per session. Yes, you heard that right. Stay with me because I'm going to show you how this platform works, who can apply, how to get accepted into high-paying studies, and how to actually start earning from it as a remote side hustle. This is not a get-quick-rich scheme. Please do your own research before applying to any job out there, and please subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and share. Okay, let's get into it. First things first, what exactly is respondent.io? Maybe you've heard of it before, but for the sake of those who haven't heard about it before, let me tell you what it is. Respondent.io is a platform that connects researchers and companies with people like you who are willing to share their opinions. These companies are not guessing what people want. They pay real users to give feedback on apps, websites, products, and services. And that's where you come in. So besties, instead of scrolling through social media all day, instead of scrolling through your TikTok all day, you can literally get paid for your time and opinions. If you're also looking for AI training job, you can get hired from this platform. Now let me make something clear so you don't get it twisted. This is not a full-time job. It's a remote side hustle, but it's one of those side hustles that can pay you well if you do it right. So how does it actually work? It's very simple. You sign up, you create your profile, you apply to studies. If selected, you participate, and then you get paid. That's it. But here's where most people mess up. They sign up, rush their profile, apply randomly, and then complain they are not getting selected. Yes, I've worked with some of you. That is your problem. You just sign up there and don't complete your profile to 100%. If you want to actually earn from this platform, you need to be strategic, you need to be consistent, and you need to make sure that your profile is up to date. So this is respondent.io website. You come here, you sign up to participate, get paid for sharing valuable insights, and help shape world-class products. If you're a nurse, doctor, midwife, engineer, lawyer, whatever occupation you have, you can work on this platform. You can also get hired by AI companies because AI companies come here to look for workers, remote workers. You can get them and then you start working for them. Once you pass the screener and you get into the task and complete it, they will now be getting back to you every time. So just come here, feel free to begin your sign up process. It's very easy. Begin with your name, your full name. Please use your real name because this is a real remote job. Okay, it's not a survey site. Use your real name. All right, when it's time to get paid, you'll be paid to your name. Use your real name, guys. There's no fake thing here. Use your real name. So use your full name and your email address, your password, and continue. They also said you can sign up with LinkedIn, Facebook. If you have a LinkedIn account, you can use it to sign up. Complete your profile 100%. You can see the payment method. They have in-person, video call, remote, unmoderated, and they pay via Visa, DoorDash, Amazon, eBay, Airbnb, Uber Eats, Google Play, Apple Pay. Now I'll take you to my dashboard and show you what my dashboard looks like. So besties, let me walk you guys through how this platform works. First of all, you need to make sure that your profile strength is at least strong. If your profile strength is strong, researchers will know that you are reliable. Okay, you are a reliable participant. All these jobs you're seeing on my screen, it says that I'm a good match. You are a good match. You're a good match. But if you sign up now and check your profile, I'm sure you're going to see that you're not a good match for them, right? You're going to have to keep applying and working on yourself before you can become a good match. But because I completed my profile, I added my work email. Once you add your work email, your profile strength is going to be strong. So make sure that your profile strength is at this level, strong. Just go to respondent.io, or I will leave the link in the description so that you can use it to apply. All you have to do is to click on any one you're interested in. This one is marketing and SEO professionals needed for 75 minutes research interview. It's paying $125. It's just for 75 minutes, one-on-one remote. This is something you can do from home. This one is paying $210 and they're seeking professionals involved in monitoring and managing tariff duty exposure for their companies. 30-minute one-on-one remote. This one is banking task. This one is banking task study. It is unmoderated, just 15 minutes. Okay, if I'm interested in this one, I think I've already applied for it. Okay, if I'm interested in it, I'll just open it like this. They're looking for 3 people to complete this. So if I want to do this one now, you can see that it was posted on Wednesday, 25th of March. It is still open. It is an unmoderated study, which means you're going to do it alone, independently, on your own, without any interviewer. You're doing it on your own. So participants in some countries will receive payment through tremendous.com, which is the one I like to use because it's a virtual Visa card that I can use to pay for things online or in store. Okay, they also have other gift cards. They have Visa, they have Amazon, they have Apple and Uber. Anyone you want to use for your payment, you can do this. They also give $20 when you refer a new respondent user who earns at least $75 in total incentive. So if I want to go for this, I click on Start Screener to open like this. Which country do you live in? So feel free to select your country. Which of the following financial products do you regularly manage? You check the ones that you manage. Next, how many persons with significant control does your organization have? This is the business whose finances you manage. Select what type of organization do you manage finances for. Then this is it. I've submitted. It says your screener and profile will be evaluated by a researcher. If you're a good fit, a researcher will be in touch to coordinate your participation. So this is how you go. This is how you go about it. You just go on and keep applying. Don't apply to one and go to sleep. Keep applying to the ones you know you can participate in, especially the unmoderated ones like this one. Share your feedback on business tasks, paying $13.68. Okay, they are seeking professionals to provide feedback on new business related tasks. This is a 10-minute remote interview to help them improve their product. Your insights are valuable. I can also apply for this one. Okay, so you can go for one-on-one, you can go for phone call, you can go for remote, you can go for unmoderated one, which is the one I like to do because I don't have the time to be on one-on-one with someone. So I rather go for unmoderated. This one is UK banking customer research, your experience, share your experience, paying 200 USD. You can see, and so on. So depending on your location, you might not see these ones on my profile. Yeah, but yours will be there. I worked with someone, I think it was respondents.io. I worked with someone from South Africa and she signed up from South Africa. So you can join this platform from anywhere. Your location is not a problem. You do not need a VPN, okay? You do not need VPN for this. You can do it from anywhere. So these are the ones that I've applied to so far. You can see submitted. I was invited for this one, but I did not do it. That's why I said make sure you keep an eye on your profile, on your project. Make sure you keep an eye on your email to make sure that you do not miss the deadline. If you miss it, you lose money. Okay, you lose money. So the sign up phase is easy. That's why I'm not showing it. You just click on my link that I'll leave in the description. You go ahead and complete your profile, check your account detail, add your social media account if you have, add your LinkedIn and other social media accounts that you want to add to make your profile strong. So I've added so many things here that made my profile to be strong, but I haven't verified my LinkedIn and I have not done any video introduction of myself, which if I do that, my profile will increase. Okay, let's talk about the type of work you will be doing. Most of the studies fall into categories like one-on-one interviews, usually through Zoom or phone calls, focus groups, product testing, and sometimes short online tasks. They also have unmoderated tasks for those who are shy to come on camera. Some sessions last just 10 minutes, while others can go up to 60 minutes or even longer. And the longer the session, the higher the pay. Now let's talk about the money, because I know that's why you clicked, right? On response respondent.io, you can earn between $10 to $50 for quick tasks, $50 to $150 for standard interviews, and $150 to $300 or more for specialized research. And payments are usually sent through PayPal and other gift card options. So yes, this is real money. Now, who can actually use respondent.io? This part is very important. The platform is available in most countries, but it works best if you are in the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, the Netherlands, and Ireland. But don't click off if you're not in these countries. People from countries like Nigeria, India, the Philippines, and South Africa can still get accepted, especially for global or remote studies. Yes, wherever you are, you can definitely sign up on this platform. Just put your eyes on the platform for global studies, for studies that are not country specific, okay? The key is how you position yourself in your profile. Let's talk about how to increase your chances of getting selected, because this is where the real game is. Number one, build a strong profile. Don't rush it. Fill in details about your job, your skills, your experience, and your interests. Companies are looking for specific types of people, so the more detailed your profile is, the better your chances. Number two, apply consistently. Don't apply to just one study and wait. That's a mistake. You need to apply to multiple studies daily. Think of it like applying for jobs. The more you apply, the higher your chances of getting picked. Number three, answer screener questions carefully. Before you get accepted, you will need to answer a few questions. This is where most people get disqualified. Don't rush. Be honest, but also be smart. Understand what they are looking for and answer clearly. I'm not going to tell you what to answer, but use your head. Number four, be available and responsive. If you get selected and miss your session, that's a red flag, and it can reduce your chances of getting future opportunities. So only apply when you know you're available. Now let's be real for a second. Is respondent.io perfect? No, you will not get accepted into every study, of course. In fact, you might apply to 10 and get accepted into 1 or 2. That's normal, but those 1 or 2 can still make you good money, right? Here's how I recommend you use respondent.io. Don't rely on it alone. Combine it with other remote income streams like freelancing, transcription, AI training jobs, or remote customer service. That way, you're building multiple income sources. Quick tip that can change everything for you. If you have any professional experience, even small, highlight it. If you're a doctor, a nurse, a midwife, highlight it there. For example, if you've used banking apps, worked in healthcare, or used e-commerce platforms, mention it, because companies often look for specific user experiences. Now let's talk about the reality of getting started. Your first week might be slow, and that's normal, but if you stay consistent, improve your profile, and apply daily, you will start getting invites. And here's something most people don't tell you. Some studies come back to the same participants again and again. So once you build trust, it gets easier. I've been there before. All right. So guys, let's do a quick recap. Respondent.io is a legit platform, a remote side hustle, and a way to get paid for your opinion. But your success depends on your profile, your consistency, and your strategy. Now, before I wrap up, if you're serious about making money online and finding remote opportunities, don't just watch this video and do nothing. Take action today. Go to respondent.io or check the link in the description. Sign up, complete your profile properly, add your work email, add your LinkedIn account, and start applying. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you like this video, drop a comment if you want more remote job ideas, and subscribe so you don't miss my next video because it's loaded. So on this channel, I show you real ways to make money online from anywhere in the world. No scams, no hype. This is not a get rich quick scheme. You have to work before you earn on this channel. And if you want me to share more platforms like this that are actually paying people right now, just comment more below. I see all your comments and I reply. You guys know that, right? All right, guys, that's it for today. Go take action. Go take action. Click on the link, sign up, complete your profile, stay consistent, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.